Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of us face recovering a deleted eSIM profile from Jio. If you have accidentally deleted your eSIM and are wondering how to get it back, you are in the right place. Let's dive right in. Deleting a eSIM profile can be frustrating, especially if you are rely on your daily connectivity. Unlike traditional SIM card, eSIM are stored digitally, which means you don't need a physical card slot. However, this also means you need to know how to recover it if get deleted. The first step to recover your deleted eSIM is to contract Geo support. You can do this by visiting a nearby Geo store or center. Make sure to bring your proof and identity and the photograph. Explain them to your eSIM was accidentally deleted and they will assist you to reactivating it. Geo will provide you with a new QR code and activate your eSIM again. Some carriers allow you to access this QR code on their website. But for Geo, visiting a store is usually a quickest way. Once you have the QR code and you can scan it and your devices is reactivate your eSIM. To activate your eSIM, go to your device settings, select the options and add new eSIM and scan the QR code provided by Geo. Follow the on the screen and instruction to complete the activation process, and that's it. Recovering a deleted Geo eSIM is a straightforward process. Remember, if we are even ever is situation when you need to switch network provider, eSIM is the easiest way to needing a physical SIM card. Thanks for watching.